So should you use finger cots or gloves when you're building a watch? Immediately, finger cots, okay? If you don't know what they are, they're like these, you can call them finger condoms, but they're also called finger cots. And all you do is put it over your finger and you just roll it down like you would with, yeah, all right? And you do it for all your fingers. Personally, I don't really do it for the pinky, and I just do it for both the hands. So you don't put any oils on your watch when you're making it. It's very easy to do that. You should also get it because it's a lot cheaper than gloves, okay? Your palm isn't really used for watchmaking. You're really just like pinching a lot of the time. So that's why we don't really need to use gloves, okay? A lot cheaper. You can get like a pack of 300 for a few pounds, like £3 or something, compared to gloves, which is like a pack of 100, maybe, all right? Just go for finger cots. That's all it is, very simple. Now, if you want more guidance on making watches, and like I actually made a watch over here. This is like my first ever watch that I made, right? But if you'd like to make a watch similar to this, I've actually created for you just a free template that you can use. It's in the description of this video. I don't get any affiliates or anything. You can just use the template. It gives you all the tools you'll need and the parts to be able to make this watch, and also alternative parts if you don't really like the layout of this. Yeah, well, that's all for me. If you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe if you like, or if you didn't like it, then you can leave a dislike. Okay, see you later.